Hey guys, Phoenix here. Sorry I haven't posted, but look how big the chickies are now. Do not get angry at us for calling them chickies still. So now that they've gotten a lot bigger, we have completed. We've completed the entire shed, and then all we have to do is add the roosts like in there. So I'm gonna have to move all of them from there to out here. Oh, there's a hole. What do I use to do this? I guess I can use that. So now that I've moved the fence, now it's time to move the chickens. Okay. Which one of you wanted to go first? Also, I may have to wait for my... No. I may have to wait for my mom. Actually, hold up. 1 second, sorry. Makeshift. Okay, so let's try and get him out now. Whoa, 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 whoa. Oh, come on. So we finally got him out. And I don't think they figured out. Oh, we need to bring the food and water in. Oh, one got through and is, sorry. Why is it so messed up? So one got through and is trying to, okay, the camera won't work. So one of the black ones got onto the back fence and was trying to get up. I mean, there's this hole over here, but like, you can barely see it. Yeah, so we're gonna bring the water in and allow them to do it. We're gonna allow them to do their dust bath over there, and then what are you doing? And then yeah. Whenever they figure it out, I will start recording again. So, hope you guys enjoyed this little like meet with the chickies. Which aren't really chickies anymore, they're more like chickens. I mean, they are chickens. So I guess subscribe, and see you guys in the next one. So, bye.